Hi there, it's Adam here again. Thanks so much for coming along, checking this out. Today I'm going to be talking about the total costs that are inherent in any real estate projects. And there are basically three main categories. Be sure to go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change where you can get a guided tour of some of the major real estate crowdfunding websites that you can invest on. And if we go over here to the Small Change website, we can go over and take a look at a prior project, the Liberty Bank Building. Gorgeous project, that, isn't it? Look at that thing. Anyway, this one's closed, but if you scan down to the About the Finances section and then click on the Phases of Improvements over here, what's going to pop up, and I'll zoom in here for you, are all the expenses that you would expect to find in a project. And here they are. If we kind of come down here, what you'll see is three main areas: acquisition costs, hard costs, and soft costs. So a quick look at those. Well, acquisition costs, in this case, they don't have any. So apparently they're bringing the project to, or the property to the project. But typically this would be the purchase of a piece of land or an existing building. Then there are hard costs, and hard costs I like to think of anything you can bang with a hammer, right? Or bang a nail into. So that's tenant improvements, any new improvements that you might be putting in. And again, in this project, there's just tenant improvements, but it might include rehabbing the building or redoing the roof, or even in a new build construction, this would be anything that actually involved physical construction of the property. And then you also have what are called soft costs. And soft costs are things, I suppose you could hit them with a hammer, but that's not the idea really. These are soft costs like design services, that would be architectural, permits, for example, and appraisal. They've got soft costs FF&E, which is the furniture, fixtures and equipment, what goes in after the project has actually been constructed. So those are the three main areas: the purchase of the property, the hard costs, those things that you can tangibly feel that are actually used to build the property, and then the soft costs are all those things, including lender fees and small change, in this case transaction fees, legal fees, architectural fees, appraisals, etc., etc. All right, so be sure to go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change to find out in detail what are the key concepts to understand when investing in real estate. Thanks so much for being with me here today in this video. I'll see you in the next one.